Everybody, happy Monday. Hope you all had a good weekend. We were able to kind of do some fun stuff and relax a little bit. I was able to go fishing a little bit, which was fun. Pretty nice. Oh, it was actually pretty cold fishing, but it was still fun to do something more fun than sitting around like normal. So that was good. This week, we're going to be continuing to study Langston Hughes. We're going to be finishing that picture book that we started about him, and then reading one of his short stories. And then at the end of the week, I'm planning on introducing the summative that will kind of be like your end of the year or last summative of the year. Okay, so don't worry about that yet, but just know that that's coming later this week or Monday. So, learning objective for today, I can continue reading the picture book about Langston Hughes to understand his experiences that show up in his fictional writings and poetry. I learned about him last week in his biography, and we started that picture book and then took that vocabulary quiz. But today we're going to continue that picture book. So first step is watch this video. Second step is complete the Monday discussion. You can either click on this link here or go into the week 6 folder in this folder. There's just 2 questions in there. I'll let you read those. And then make sure you respond to somebody after you post your comment. Also the 2 questions today were from 2 of you. So that's really cool. I like when you guys give me suggestions like that. So if you have suggestions, just keep, you can email me or school as you message me and I'll throw those on the discussion board. You guys have really good ideas, so I like that. All right, step 3, complete part 2 of the Langston Hughes picture book assignment. I hope this one is kind of a longer picture book, so I broke it up into 3. So part 3 will be tomorrow. I did that based on feedback from some of you that the work has been taking a little bit too long or too time consuming or difficult. So it's broken up into 3 parts instead of 2 like normal. So I just want to let you know that's why I did that. There's going to be a video for you to watch, like normal, of me reading through the book and just kind of explaining the questions. So that'll be linked here once I make that. And then besides that, just make sure you finish any missing work or the vocabulary quiz especially, because that was a summative and that was on Friday. Okay? So finish all that stuff up, and that is all for today. I think that's good. I'm not going to show you this. Like I said, you can find that, and then stay tuned. I'll have this video posted soon for the help video for the Langston Hughes picture book assignment. All right, everybody. Hope you're all doing well, and I will talk to you later. Bye.